How much more? Find the difference. How much more? Find the difference. Find the difference.
In our last lesson, we talked about how to find the difference between two values on a bar graph. But there is an easier way, if you just know how to subtract. I'll explain. Let's consider the question, how much more is Friday's value than Saturday's value? Well, Friday's value was $10, and Saturday's value was $5. So, if you slide the Saturday value over to the Friday value, you're canceling out $5, or you're taking $5 away. So really, all you need to do is subtract the smaller value from the larger value to find the difference. $10 minus $5 equals $5. There are $5 between $5 and $10. And since the difference between the two values is $5, Friday's value is $5 greater than Saturday's value. On to our next question. How much less is Thursday's value than Sunday's value? And to be clear, we're talking about the first Sunday on our graph. So I've identified the 2 days that I'm talking about. Sunday is $35 and Thursday is $15. So if I slide my $15 over onto the $35, the difference, or the difference in size, how much more, how much less, is how much is remaining, how much is still there after I take the 15 away. So if I take $15 away from $35, I see my difference is $20. So the value of the amount of money on Thursday is $20 less than the amount Mario had on Sunday. Let's talk about finding the difference between two numbers without our graph. So, what is the difference between 45 and 76? A related question would be, how much greater is 76 than 45? Another related question would be, how much less is 45 than 76? Any of these questions ask you to compare these numbers using subtraction. So, you'll want to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. 76 minus 45 equals 31. The operation we just performed will help us answer each of these three questions. The first one, the difference between 45 and 76 is 31. Our next question, 76 is 31 greater than 45. And our third question is answered, 45 is 31 less than 76. It's easy to see why we subtract numbers when we compare them by using fact families. The fact family 2, 3, and 5 is going to help us show why we use subtraction to compare numbers. So you've got 3 plus 2 equals 5, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. It's easier to see with these smaller numbers that 5 is 2 greater than 3, and that 5 is 3 greater than 2. It also shows that 3 is 2 less than 5, and that 2 is 3 less than 5. Now, in this fact family, if you're talking about a 5 and a 3, your difference, whether it's addition or subtraction that you're trying to do, is 2. And if you're comparing the space between 2 and 5, whether you're adding up or subtracting from 5, that distance between these two numbers is 3. A great way to describe the difference between two numbers is the distance between the two numbers.
How much more? Find the difference. How much more? Find the difference. Find the difference.